Canada's main stock index held steady on Thursday as broader declines were offset by a strong rally in BlackBerry Limited and Bombardier Incorporated stocks. BlackBerry reported stronger-than-expected quarterly results on record sales for its closely watched software unit, sending its shares surging 12.4% to $12.96. BlackBerry was the most influential driver on the positive side for the index and also helped lift the technology sector by 0.8%. Bombardier Incorporated rebounded from sharp losses in the previous session after the company was dealt major setbacks in its aerospace and rail units. The shares advanced 5.2% to $2.21. The overall industrials group remained unchanged. Story continues below advertisement. Valent Pharmaceuticals International fell 5.2% to $17.03, pushing the healthcare group down 1.3%. Metro Incorporated gave back some of Wednesday's rally following news it was in talks to buy pharmacy chain Jean-Coutu for $3.6 billion. Metro was down 1.7% at $42.89, while Jean-Coutu was down 1.3% at $24.23. At 11:18 a.m. Eastern Time, the Toronto Stock Exchange's SPTSX Composite Index rose 15.16 points, or 0.10%, to 15,624.82. 7 of the index's 10 main groups were higher on the day. The energy group seesawed throughout the morning and was last down 0.02%. Energy stocks lost steam as crude oil prices paired early gains, with U.S. crude prices up 0.5% to $52.38 a barrel, after climbing as much as 1.5% earlier. Gains in McDonald's propped up the Dow in late morning trading on Thursday, while losses in financial and technology stocks pressured the other two major Wall Street indexes. McDonald's rose 2.5%, its biggest single-day percentage gain in more than 2 months, after Longbow Research upgraded the stock to buy, saying its third-quarter comparable sales were ahead of market estimates. Story continues below advertisement. The financial index was the biggest loser among the 11 major SP sectors, falling 0.29%, after rising sharply on Wednesday on hopes of an interest rate hike in December. Technology sector slipped back into the red after gaining for 2 straight days, with Apple's 0.85% fall weighing on all 3 indexes. You see the market giving back a bit from yesterday. It's taking some profits off the reflation move, said Jeff Zipper, managing director at the U.S. Bank Private Client Reserve in Palm Beach, Florida. There is some rotation out of technology into some of the reflation trade sectors. Investors also assessed President Donald Trump's tax plan, which called for tax cuts for most Americans, but prompted criticism that it favored business and the rich and could add trillions of dollars to the deficit. The Commerce Department report showed the economy grew a bit faster than previously estimated in the second quarter, but the momentum probably slowed in the third quarter as Hurricanes Harvey and Irma temporarily curbed activity. Story continues below advertisement. The hurricanes also pushed up initial claims for state unemployment benefits for the week ended September 23, the Labor Department said. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 11.7 points, or 0.05%, at 22,352.41. The SP 500 was down 0.78 points, or 0.03%, at 2,506.26, and the Nasdaq Composite was down 12.55 points, or 0.19%, at 6,440.71. AbbVie was the biggest boost to the SP, rising more than 6% after announcing a global resolution of intellectual property-related litigation with Amgen. Abbott also rose more than 4% after the U.S. FDA approved the company's glucose monitoring device. Rite Aid slumped more than 11% after reporting lower-than-expected revenue mainly due to a drop in reimbursement rates and the number of prescriptions it filled.